Hey there, and welcome back to Freezelle, the place where we discover how to freeze almost anything. Today we're talking about something we all have in our fridge: milk. Can you really freeze milk without ruining it? Some say yes, some say no. So let's find out the truth, and the best way to do it right. Yes, you can freeze milk. But here's the secret. It depends on the type of milk and how you store it. Whole milk might separate a little after thawing, but that's totally normal. Just give it a good shake before using it again. It's safe, simple, and super useful. So, why would you freeze milk in the first place? Let's find out. Well, it's simple. Freezing milk helps you save money and reduce waste. If you often buy in bulk or live far from the store, freezing milk keeps it fresh for weeks. It's also perfect for meal prep, smoothies, or baking days when you suddenly need milk but don't have time to shop. And here's the best part. It still tastes great when you do it the right way. Before freezing milk, always check what type you have. Whole milk, skim milk, and plant-based milks all behave a little differently. Whole milk may separate slightly after thawing, but don't worry, that's totally normal. Just give it a gentle shake before using it again. When freezing milk, never fill the container completely. Milk expands as it freezes, and if it's too full, the bottle can crack or spill. Always leave about 1 inch of space at the top before sealing it tight. Use only freezer-safe containers like plastic bottles, silicone bags, or thick glass jars, and make sure the lids are airtight to prevent freezer burn. Avoid thin glass, since it can easily break in the cold. Finally, before placing your milk in the freezer, label each bottle with the date. Milk usually lasts up to 3 months when frozen properly. This simple step helps you keep track and avoid forgetting what's inside. Now, your milk is perfectly prepared and ready to freeze. So, let's move on and see exactly how to freeze it the right way. Start by pouring your milk into clean, freezer-safe containers. Leave a little space at the top so it can expand safely once frozen, and seal the lids tightly to keep air out. Then, place your bottles upright in the freezer. This helps them freeze evenly and prevents leaks. Store them near the back of the freezer, where the temperature stays cold and stable. Let your milk freeze slowly and completely, usually within 4 to 6 hours, depending on the container size. Once it's solid, your milk is safely preserved and can last up to 3 months. Now that it's frozen, let's move on and see how to thaw it properly so it tastes just as fresh as before. When it's time to use your frozen milk, always thaw it slowly and safely. The best way is to move the bottle from the freezer to the fridge and let it defrost overnight. This gradual thawing keeps the texture smooth and prevents the milk from separating too much. If you're in a hurry, you can also place the sealed bottle in a bowl of cool water to speed up the process. But never use hot water or a microwave, as that can damage the nutrients and taste. Once the milk is fully thawed, give it a gentle shake or stir to bring it back to its natural creamy texture. It's now ready to drink, cook with, or pour into your morning coffee, just like fresh milk. And that's it. Freezing milk is simple, safe, and really useful. With just a few easy steps, you can save money, reduce waste, and always have fresh milk ready when you need it. It's amazing how something as simple as freezing can keep your milk fresh and ready for your morning coffee, your smoothie, or your favorite recipe. Small changes like this make everyday life easier and a little bit fresher. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like it, subscribe, and share it with someone who loves practical kitchen tips. And of course, stay tuned. More freezing guides are coming soon on Freezelle. See you in the next one.